To tweet a GIF to a specific user on Twitter using your PC, follow these easy steps. Begin by opening Twitter and navigating to the profile of the user you wish to send the GIF to. Next, locate and tap or click on the settings icon situated in the top right corner of the screen. From the options that appear, select Tweet to @username to initiate a tweet directed specifically at the chosen user. Now, click on the GIF icon within the tweet composition box to select the GIF you want to include. After choosing the GIF, click on the Upload button to attach it to your tweet. Craft your message in the tweet box, expressing your thoughts or context to complement the GIF you've selected. Once you've finalized your message and ensured that the GIF is attached, click the Post button to share your tweet with the targeted user. By following these steps, you can effortlessly share a GIF with a personalized message to engage and connect with a specific user on Twitter using your PC. Enhance your communication and make your tweets more interactive and engaging with the addition of fun and expressive GIFs.